Hi, in this video we will see how we can quickly insert the infinity sign in Adobe Illustrator. So at first we need to go to the Adobe Illustrator file or the new document file, and from here we have to choose the type menu option. So on the Adobe Illustrator, on top of the line there are a couple of menus are there. One of the menu is type. We just need to click here and it will expand this type of menu. From here we have to choose glimpse. We just need to click here and a new window will be appeared here. From here we can find the infinity sign very quickly. So we need to click text, and in the document basically I just click here to insert the symbol, and from this glimpse I'm double clicking on this infinity sign, and the infinity sign or symbol, it will be inserted. We can close this window. Now we can increase the size of this infinity sign as much as we want, or make it smaller. Now right now it is just like as a text. Now if we want to convert it, we have to click type again. Click type again. We have to select it first, and then we have to go to the type menu, this option again. So I'm going to click here, and then from here we have to choose this option, change outline, and now we can increase or decrease our infinity sign, or even we can like create a wave or make it like some other shape based on our own requirement. I'm going to increase it a little bit. Now you can customize it easily, and that's it guys. In this way we can easily insert the infinity sign very quickly and easily. Thank you guys for watching the video.